All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, still on the matter, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are actually talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, finally it has been exposed. Yes, I just stumbled on a video not quite long about how the vice president elect Kashim Shettima visited, just recently visited some bandits in an uncompleted building. My brother, my sister, what exactly is going on? A lot of people, the rumors had gone viral that this man, Shettima, was one of the sponsors of bandits in Nigeria. Yes, it's no longer a news. But the fact now remains that at the end of it all, a lot of people who actually know this now still elected him, allowed him to run for the position of a vice president to the extent he is now elected. My brother, my sister, what exactly is going on in this country? The Yoruba nation agitators will always announce this, repeat this, reiterate this, that as far as Yoruba nation movement is concerned, that there should not be any form of going back. A lot of people will be like, oh, all these people are just fooling themselves. But the fact remains that they are not fooling themselves. Now, there's been a lot of reactions after this surfaced, and then later on, I decided to get another picture of where this same Shettima was having a breakfast with some bandits. In fact, you don't need a soothsayer to tell you what exactly is going on. As you can see this on your screen, what exactly is happening right now? Who is actually ruling this country? When we tell you that this same 1999 constitution that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is coming to work with will not favor Nigerians, a lot of people thought we were just blabbing, that we're just trying to talk. Right now, look at what is happening, my brother, my sister. Who are actually ruling this country? What is going to be the what's going to be the benefit of every other person, or should I say every other Nigerian, if these people actually get in? A lot of people are shouting May 29th is by the corner. Yes, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they are not even thinking of the consequences that might erupt later. All they are shouting, what they are thinking about is the money they are going to share. I'm always surprised when I see some Yoruba set of people supporting Bola Ahmed Tinubu strongly. Not that we hate Bola Ahmed Tinubu, no, but the people that surrounded him are our problem. They are our concern. No wonder they were dragging it. Muslim tickets. Yes, so that is Muslim tickets, of which never happened. Some set of people were even saying that if it is Muslim ticket this time around, let us allow them be. At least there have been Muslim Christian ticket all this while, nothing still happened. Maybe Muslim will make it better. I will always laugh each time I hear that. I will laugh in Swahili. What the hell? That it was not better during Muslim Christian than Muslim, and you think it will be better? My brother, my sister, where exactly are we? How did we get here? That's my question right now. I will not blame the Yoruba nation agitators that have been clamoring for a new nation, that have been clamoring that no way there won't be any going back. I always respect their belief. I always respect their concerns and determination that they will not go back. simply because they knew the consequences. They know what is going to play out if this is accepted. And right now, God is actually exposing them one after the other, and a lot of people are still quiet about it. That's the problem we have in this country. Until everything gets worse, that things that it can never be amended, that's when some people will now wake up that, oh, it's true, we need to fight for our rights. Chief Sunday Igboho said a lot of things. Majority of people thought he was just blabbing, that maybe he needed money and all that, but they've forgotten that this man on his own is a billionaire. I always tell my people, Chief Sunday Igboho is just a God sent to Yoruba people. Either they believe it or not. For the Seriki Fulani of Igboho to have confessed that each time he hears the sound of the voice of Chief Sunday Igboho, that he always shivers. My brother, my sister, what does that tell you? The same Fulani that a lot of people are scared of, when they hear the name of Chief Sunday Igboho, they will be shaking. Yet you still want a soothsayer to tell you that he is God sent. Not that it's that physical Sunday Igboho that they are shaking for, but that spirit in him, that is what is disturbing them. Which means Chief Sunday Igboho is actually God sent. Now they are trying to kill Chief Sunday Igboho in Benin Republic, simply because they believe that if Chief Sunday Igboho comes to Nigeria, that Yoruba people will be freed. A lot of people never thought of that. Oh, the Fulanis are like, oh, this Chief Sunday Igboho of 18, they should just try and execute him because it's their only problem. And then a lot of wise people who actually understand what it means, they have been working towards how Chief Sunday Igboho will be saved. But the ones that are not wise, they are clapping. But they've forgotten that they are clapping for their own death. Now, what does that tell you? If Fulani says, oh, Chief Sunday Igboho must be dealt with before Bola Ahmed Tinubu gets there, in case you don't know, it means they have negative plans for all the Yoruba people as soon as they are being sworn in. In fact, with some news reaching us, it has been gathered that, oh, even that person, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that you are seeing, that is not the one that is going to, that is the president, that is just a camouflage, that the major person is going to be Shetima. But by the wayside, let us still leave that one by the wayside. We are still coming on that. My brother, my sister, how did we get here? This man was discovered, found eating with bandits. My brother, my sister, this is no longer a joke. In any which way, you can pray very well, because I know you can't say you want to fight government. In any which way that you can control heavens to open up against every enemy of our soul, henceforth you need to start doing that. My brother, my sister, it's not funny. The Yorubas will say dugbe dugbe to mi loke yi. Ibi to ba ma re si. No, a lot of things are actually happening that some set of people have seen it coming. But meanwhile, majority of people do not see that. The only thing they are saying is, oh, let there be food on their table. Let us eat. Merry. That's all. But the major thing happening, they are not seeing. Right now, many things are going wrong. Chief Sunday Igboho, on his own part, is preparing to come back to Nigeria. But that will be after the swearing in. He has said it earlier. Ile baba omo ko ki n ba omo leru. And then at the same time, with what is going on right now, my brother, my sister, what do you think is going to be the fate of the masses? Everybody is shouting May 29, May 29. what is going to be the fate of the masses. Our prayer anyway is that the good Lord should keep, taking care and securing Chief Sunday Igboho wherever he is. One thing I believe is that he is divinely sent from God to save the Yoruba people. God will definitely not come by himself. He will send people. A lot of things are happening. A lot of things are happening. Yoruba nation not going back. Anytime you hear these people, you see these people talking about Yoruba nation and all that, respect them. Though we have some traitors in the midst, but the major ones, we know them. Respect them. Starting from Chief Sunday Igboho, Professor Banji Akintoye. Respect them. A lot are happening. Now the whole thing had been exposed. We don't need a soothsayer to tell us what their agenda is all about. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you that. Because as it stands, it is obvious. It is vivid. Baba God, now your hand with them. Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this one, and then remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. Alright, thanks and God bless.